I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. We want to talk a little bit about bird baths this year. We've been pretty lucky so far with getting a fair amount of rain, but it has been dry as well. So it's really important to put some bird baths out so the birds get some water for drinking and also for bathing. They actually bathe more than they drink from the bird baths. So you'll need to fill them up fairly regularly. Usually every day is a good idea to refresh the water. That helps keep the water nice and clean and to keep any mosquitoes and things out of it as well from laying their larvae in it. And the birds like it when it's fresh, and sometimes when the robins get in there they can really flap around and make a mess of the water. Birds really enjoy bird baths. Not too deep. This one's obviously really small. It almost might be good even for bees or butterflies to get a little drink from. But the larger baths, you can fit a fair amount of water in them, and these would be really pretty sitting on a stump or on a step somewhere, on a front step, and they're very decorative, really pretty. If you have a little stone wall, they look really nice on that as well. But cleaning them often is important, just like cleaning your bird feeders is really important. I wouldn't use any detergent in it. I would just use hot water and a bit of vinegar. The detergent can actually be bad for the birds if they get it on their wings, if they can't clean that soap off. So just use some good fresh water, clean it every couple of days, and you're good to go. Thanks for joining me on The Garden Gate. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.